Hey, I know you guys are probably tired of seeing me today. I know I just went live, but we had a bit of an interruption, some wind, and the FedEx guy showed up. I didn't want him or the noise of his truck in the background. So sorry about that. One thing I wanted to clear up real quick is our fall and winter specials. Okay, right now we're still doing that fall special we were doing a while ago. Two-story house, gutter cleaning and exterior window cleaning. $3.99, or for a single story house, gutter cleaning and exterior window cleaning for $2.99. Also, we are booking up real quick for fall leaf cleanups. I know a lot of people are interested in that. They don't want to rake their leaves all weekend long, so that's something we can handle for you. But I will say the schedule is getting booked up for that. People are already getting on the schedule, so they don't have to worry about it. So get in contact with us quickly over that to get on our schedule. And we just rolled out a new service for winter, residential snow plowing. We're offering it to our existing clients and some new residential clients. It is $425 one-time payment for all year, all season this winter. We'll come plow your driveway, we'll come shovel your sidewalks, and if you're interested in salt, we have different salting options. But yeah, a lot of people are interested in that. I've had a couple people message me back already and take advantage of that, because it's that peace of mind right there. You don't have to worry about, you pay that $425 up front, or 5 monthly payments of $90. 5 monthly payments of $90 per month in November, December, January, February. November, December, January, February, March. Yeah, 5 monthly payments of $90 or one-time payment of $425. We'll get your driveway and sidewalks completely taken care of all winter long. All right, now I'm done. Promise that's my last video for the day. All right, you guys have a good day. We'll talk to you later.